Let's move on to some other stories that we're tracking closely this morning. The Shiromani Akali Dal is holding a Black Friday protest march to mark 1 year of the passage of the farm laws. They've planned a march from the Gurudwara Rakabganj Sahib to the Parliament building in the national capital. The protest march will be led by the Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal and former Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal. The Delhi police, however, hasn't given permission for this protest march. They've also sealed off the Haryana-Delhi border. A meeting of the Akalis is underway to decide the next course of action. The 3 farm laws which farmers have been protesting against for the last 1 year were passed in Parliament on this date, on September 17, 2020. And the then Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal had chosen to resign from the Union Cabinet in protest. Meanwhile, farmer leader Rakesh Tikait, who's been leading a majority of these protests, hit out at the Modi government for not repealing the farm laws.
साल भर पूरा हो गया।
हाँ जी।
जिस कानून के खिलाफ आप यहाँ बैठे हुए
जी 1 साल हो गया पूरा और बैठे हुए सरकार कह रही कि इसे 18 महीने इसका इंतजार कर लेते हैं, तो वो 12 महीने तो हो गए, 6 महीने और इंतजार कर लेते हैं। सरकार यही तो कह रही कि हम इसको 18 महीने स्थगित कर देंगे, तो हम भी 18 महीने इसका इंतजार कर लेते हैं। पूरा गांव बर्बाद होते दिख रहे हैं, अभी मंडियां बिकने लगी है, उसकी जो खाली जमीन थी।
To a report that has been filed by Anisha Mathur from the Rakabganj Sahib Gurudwara.
But any class, especially with farmers, because we are from Punjab. Punjab and Haryana brought a green revolution when India got independence. So we are totally dependent on farming. So therefore, Shiromani Akali Dal is agitating along with the farmers. You see, within the last 1 year, 600 farmers have died on the border. And Modi government is completely silent. So this is a request. Today is Modi ji's birthday. I want to request Modi ji that give everybody a gift. You know, just repeal these laws, because in America in 1979, when the president of USA brought the laws similar to these, the farmers took agitation to White House, so they got repealed. So this is a request that we do not demand for these laws. They will destroy the farming, because minimum support price have been taken away from us, because and we cannot even go to the court. We cannot even go to High Court or Supreme Court. They said the SPM local body is the only one is going to give you justice. So we did not demand for it, and we are totally against it. So today is the march. This will only go stronger day by day. So we are marching from Gurudwara Sahib Rakabganj all the way to Parliament.
Sir, Navjot Singh Sidhu has criticized the SAD, saying that the SAD government had also brought similar laws. Now they are protesting because it's a different government.
See, I don't want to comment on Navjot Sidhu, because he is whatever he has said is totally fabricated. He have no proof. You see, he barks a lot, but he have no action. He have not done anything. He can only bark. I'm sorry to say, but he has nothing that can prove what he's saying. He's just making it a political statement.
Delhi police has not given permission for this rally. Delhi borders have been sealed. What is your strategy now? What are you going to be doing?
See, this is a peaceful protest. So this is a request that let us march, because we want to give a message. We want to give a message to the people of India, to the world, that we are here, and we want to do a peaceful march. And you see, now they have blocked all the borders of Delhi, especially Punjabis. They are not being allowed into the New Delhi. This totally. We totally condemn this. This is very wrong.
Can you just tell us your name?
Devinder Singh Bila.
This was Devender Singh Bila.
Okay. So that is a report by Anisha Mathur from the Gurudwara, where this protest is expected to begin. You can already see how several protesters who made their way to the national capital have been trying to make their way for this protest march. No permission has been given, which is why many of them are being detained as we speak. The Akali Dal leadership is holding a meeting to discuss the next course of action, because permission has not been granted for their march to Parliament.